So guys, then open any browsers to Google search box to type like that and go to this URL pcsupport.com. Okay, right click to new tab. So this is enter the serial number. If you search here your different laptop showing, so no worry, just enter your laptop serial number and then click to search. After that it will show. Then guys, to type to install first, second, and first automatic and second manual. So if you have to install the driver separately one by one, so select the manual. Otherwise you just select the scan now, and after the required driver system install automatically. Just click to select the driver. So first, this is guys all the driver here, you can see here. Then guys, fingerprint. So this is fingerprint driver. Just click to download, click to setup, then yes, okay, then next, I accept, next, install, next, and then install it. Then finished, then restart your system. You can see this is a different fingerprint, and this is a Grodix fingerprint driver. After install, restart your system.